god, it's so cold. So how was your experience? Oh my god.
White. All white. No blood.
Nung paakyat tayo, wala tayong makita. Tapos ganito pala kaganda, man. Sana mahaba pa yun. Kala ko pababa na tayo. Bakit para paakyat pa rin tayo? Ah. God damn. Daming people. Oh my god. Dito tayo kumain kanina. Boss.
Kuha ka ko. Akala ko si Daniel. Sorry kuya. Ano ba yan?
Ano yan? Sa ground ko, is take 200 ba? Ano ba kami? Ano yan meron?
Ano to? Parang ito yung sa ano? Ang tinatawag dyan sa ano?
Fern. Patingin. Patingin na ako. Anong meron dyan?
Wala.
That's a video. Oh my god.
Sagada is one of the places which was never conquered before by anyone. We were just modernized by the American missionaries. For more than 333 years that the Philippines was under the Spaniards, we are actually free. We have freedom here in the mountains. That's why Igorot people were not considered Filipinos before. We were considered as savages. You can observe there are at least 3 coffins which are very small. Okay, that is actually the original form of our coffins. That's why here in Sagada, we observe 2 things. Even though we have our church, nowadays, we still have our cultures and traditions. Hindi po nawawala po yan. Yan po yung yaman po ng Sagada.